Hi, this is Jason here with another awesome unboxing. Today we have a great product. If you're dealing with allergens or issues that your home is always so dusty or your business, this product is great for you. I paid $89.99 and normally the list price was $299.99. It's still at that price of $89.99. This is actually the HAP 603 True HEPA Air Purifier made by ECOSELF. I bought this for my karate school because we're dealing with a lot of kids being sick and parents coming in sick. I was sick for 2 months and we need to help the air quality in our facility and change the filters also in our vents more often will help as well. But this is only $89.99. I've spent $199 to $200 to $300 on air purifiers that I have at my house. They work great, but this one also has a diffuser container built into it where you can put essential oils inside of it, which is really awesome. Today in this unboxing, I'll show you what's in the box, and I'll do another video at my karate school with it all set up. The features of this, before we open it up, is the air quality indicator. It goes from green to red, showing how good your air quality is. And you never know, your quality of air might be really bad, and all of a sudden you're like, I wonder why I'm always sick with a sinus infection, other things happening. Large air inlets, so the air comes in to the top and gets shot out through the sides. Smart control, you could actually use Wi-Fi and your cell phone to control the features of this diffuser, which is great. Set up schedules and different times that you want to use it. And it also comes with a 2-year warranty. Right here you scan the QR code and you can get that warranty. 2 years is great because a lot of products break within the first 2 years. So let's open this box up. I do appreciate you watching. Hope you like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also click on those links so you can see this product and get the exact same product for the same price online. It's wrapped really well. The first thing on here is the manual. Read through that manual because you never know exactly the features until you actually read through the manual. There's also support on here. There's an email address and also a Facebook page. Check that out. And there's a warranty card in here as well. You gotta scan that QR code, get that warranty, super important. I'm doing that today. And we have a little piece right here that comes with it. I'm not 100% sure what this does yet, but we're doing an unboxing. Looks like the diffuser compartment. You put the oils in here and put that into the machine. And there we go, the master of diffusers. Right here, nice little packaging. The box is really insulated, which is great. And click on that link so you help support our channel. That'd be greatly appreciated. The link to the product. Look at that, we're undressing this diffuser right here. Very sleek, compact, super light, which I really like. Take off the packing. Keep the box if you want to transport it different locations. This is great for an RV as well. It is for 1,290 square feet, but it goes up to that as a max. One thing great about this, it's one piece and it comes with a HEPA filter. It's a 2-stage HEPA filter, and I'll read it right here. It's the HAP 603 True HEPA Air Filter. And also it comes in white, black, and gray. And it has a power cord that comes with it. And it has humidity operating. And the dimensions, the weight, it's 8.2 pounds, which isn't very heavy at all. And it's a 1x3 stage filter pre-installed. So the filter in here, you have to buy more filters. I would suggest every 3 months changing out the filter. But there we have it. You have your controls right here. I'll go through the features of it in the next video, but thank you so much for watching. I know your time is super important, but I hope you have an awesome day. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment, and talk to me about what you think of this product. And I think this will be a great asset to your house or business or wherever you want to put it. Thanks so much. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. And make sure you support our channel. You're awesome.